Most people dream of going to America, but for me, living America was the best decision I've ever made in my life. A few years back, I made the decision that would change my life forever. I left America and never went back. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Why would anyone want to leave the United States of America, the land of opportunity, and come here? To tell you the truth, the life that I was living wasn't really a living. I grew up in the United States, chasing money, status, everything they told us success was. But behind closed doors, I was stuck. I was lost. I was struggling. I was living someone else's dream, not mine. One day it hit me. If I kept living like this, I would lose myself. So I made the choice that most people won't understand. I left it all behind and came here to Somalia. Coming back wasn't easy. Everything was unfamiliar. The air, the environment, the people, the country. But inside me, something shifted. For the first time in a long time, I could breathe. I could be myself. Sometimes starting over doesn't mean you're quitting. It means going back to where your heart felt alive. If you're feeling lost, maybe it's time you come home to yourself.